Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Well, today we have a new box from a new brand, a new designer in the boutique.
Welcome, lovelies. You are going to be so happy when we open up this box. You're going to be going like, yay!
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Oh, it's so beautiful. It's from Copenhagen, from Denmark. And it fits right into our whole theme of our curation in the boutique here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It mix matches with other pieces, but the collection is beautiful as it is.
Yeah, we've curated some outfits from this brand and we are very excited to show them to you. I think you're gonna love them as much as we do. And of course, we'll style them up for you tomorrow. But first we're gonna do a little fit check here and then we'll dig right into the box. So, Lousje, beautiful. I love that color on you.
Well, thank you.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I like it too.
And the scarf just breaks it up.
Yeah, right.
The beautiful scarf from Love's Pure Light. It fits perfectly in with that.
Yeah, beautiful colors.
Oh, look at, very cool.
Very cool.
Love these bangles from Ziska. Siriglio.
And I have another wrist, so I thought I'd put another.
Anne-Marie.
Anne-Marie. Are we getting new Anne-Marie?
We are getting new Anne-Marie.
Because we're low.
We're so low.
It's hardly anything left.
I know.
Oh, I'm looking forward to that.
It's so beautiful. It's gonna be fabulous. And then some purple earrings to match.
Yeah.
And I love these. I had these on the other day.
Did you?
Yep, believe it or not, I did. But yeah, I had the Up Gaucho. Beautiful fabric. Doesn't it feel like it's a techno
nice.
sort of fabric? It feels
I think you call this travel fabric in Europe, right?
Yes, that's true. Yeah.
Because this is like
roll it up and
wash, hang to dry.
Yeah, you won't have to iron it at all.
At all.
At all.
And you.
So I have on the luxurious Kadzoric skirt.
Love.
In the skirt again. These skirt and sweater sets are like my go-to.
Yeah.
I think we sell more
so
skirts
beautiful.
than anything because I wear them all the time.
It's true.
No, I don't know. But
no, it's true.
Sometimes
Tessa.
people say they don't wear skirts at all, but you're missing out.
Yeah, even when you were a teenager, you always wore skirts.
What?
Well,
I was
other girls were
backpacking.
wearing pants. You were always wearing skirts.
Yeah, backpacking through Europe, ladies.
Long skirts.
I had these long skirts. I should show you a picture. I have short bleached blonde hair. So fun.
Little hippie.
Yeah, it was cute.
Cute little hippie.
No, not a hippie, was I? No.
Well, it's a little hippiest outfit. You were not a hippie,
it was
but
the 90s.
yeah.
And then I have on this sweater from Me and Guy. Beautiful.
Oh, does that
it's
ever
kind of
feel nice?
wide neckline, just heads up, ladies, but very beautiful.
Yeah.
And with the Chemi light paper wool scarf in this beautiful print.
Love that scarf.
Gorgeous.
Every color of the rainbow in here. You know?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And then earrings from Ziska. Very cute gold. I thought that would pick it up nicely. And then this to match.
Beautiful.
Very cool. Okay.
Okay.
Let's get into the box. We're so excited. These are all treasure pieces. So where do we start?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. You are so excited.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
This is the cream of the crop.
the cream of the crop.
This is such a beautiful sweater.
What
It
a
feels
gorgeous.
amazing.
Then this, lovelies, it's hard to see, but it's boiled
They
wool.
felted it on.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
unbelievable.
I know.
This is not just printed on, it's felted
Felted
on.
on.
So it stands up a little, tiny little bit. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm
Gorgeous.
very curious what this gorgeous fabric is.
82% viscose and then a little bit of polyamide and spandex.
Beautiful
And
blend.
then look at the other color that we have.
Oh!
So we got these two colors in. It comes in 3 sizes. It's nice, beautiful dolman sleeve.
Yeah.
Extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, extra large. I also want to point out the sleeves because it's a little bit of a different knit.
Yeah.
Which gives that contrast.
Exactly.
And the texture of it is beautiful.
It's a rib knit.
It's a rib knit.
But a fine.
Yeah.
Very lovely,
Like
Tessa.
the neckline here, the rib.
And
the
the-
bottom, no, the bottom's not ribbed. But,
No.
But look at that, how beautiful that is finished.
Oh my goodness.
It's just a gorgeous sweater.
Wow, that is a work of art. And the back is plain, which is
Plain.
nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, I
very
can't wait
nice.
to style this.
I know.
Or are you going to style it?
Well, we'll see. We'll see.
Oh.
We're going to fight over it.
Yeah, we are.
Well, we can each do a color. Okay, so, I'm sorry, ladies, but we got a skirt here. It is a
Oh, but
fabulous
what a
skirt.
Yes.
Look at this.
Oh, feel.
Look at the fabric.
Oh my. And look at these 3 little pleats and then the pockets.
Yeah,
Sorry.
the pockets are on the side. They're slip pockets.
Yeah.
Which is great.
Yeah.
And then it's got the little pleats, as Lousje pointed out. So adorable.
Stitched. Beautiful.
It's got like a bubble hem,
Yeah.
lined,
Yeah.
and
Beautiful.
flat front, and then the elastic in the back, which we love because then you can get into it. There's no zipper or anything. You
Yeah.
just pull it on. The fabric has a little crunch detail in it, and it's just absolutely gorgeous.
Love, love,
So that is like the base, and then we're gonna style all around.
Well, look here. I have one style already.
I know, it's like
Look at this.
no brainer right there.
Bingo.
Bingo. So we'll style those up, but you can imagine how wonderful that's gonna look.
Oh,
It's just beautiful. Okay, let's keep going here.
let's get it.
It's a small but mighty drop.
Oh, that's. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness.
I knew you'd lose it on this
Oh,
one.
I'm going to lose it.
Oh my goodness.
I'm losing it.
She's losing it. So Masai
Oh.
is a Danish brand, Copenhagen, but this particular piece is made in Portugal.
Oh my goodness.
So you can imagine how wonderful the fabric
It's
feels.
a very light knit. It's lovely.
Viscose of
Yeah,
rayon and
yeah.
bamboo of spandex.
For underneath your jumpers, your jackets, your
Everything.
everything.
Yeah. And we started at a size small in that lady, so it is fitting a bit snug in that sense. So there's no extra small.
No.
So Lousje would be in a small. I'd probably go to a medium unless I want it tight under something.
Shaped tight.
It's meant
It's
to be
shaped
tight.
tight.
Yeah.
Because it's meant to be, well, you can wear it as is, of course, without, not underneath anything, but I would keep this as my basic underneath. Pop.
Well, so here you go. So then we decided to purchase this beautiful
Of
cardigan.
course. Tessa.
I know. A beautiful
Oh.
waterfall cardigan to go.
So here you go.
Yeah.
This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna wear this with the skirt
Yeah.
and this over
And the
top.
cardi over.
Oh my, oh my.
And this fabric, ladies, is beautiful. It's nice and light.
Yeah,
It's got a great finish, a little hem here of
beautiful.
a mini serge.
Yeah, beautiful.
Which is very cool.
Oh my
And
goodness.
it just waterfalls open.
Yeah,
So
look
we'll
at that.
we'll style
Just-
that up for you.
Yeah. Wow.
Gorgeous.
Okay.
Gorgeous. All right, few pieces left.
Bring it on.
Look, I
What
love
is
This
this?
is so fabulous. Okay,
Tessa.
2 different fabrics together
Oh my God.
in this oversized tunic dress.
Oh wow.
I know. So this is a beautiful knit on top.
Yeah.
Got some weight to it, and then this is a gorgeous sort of sheery, satiny, very beautiful. I'm sure it's a poly, but look how it drapes. It's
Yeah.
absolutely
Oh,
gorgeous.
that is so cute.
So I
I
was
can't
thinking
wait
you
to
can
see that
wear
on.
the white stripe under and then have it peeking.
Definitely. That is what you do with these pieces, you
Yeah.
know? You cuff and then it shows a little bit in the cuff.
Yeah, you could do leggings, you could do jeans. We're gonna style them up for you tomorrow. There is a little high-low here too, which you can see.
Yeah.
How cute is that? It's
Really
like a
cute.
rounded, it's a beautiful, I remember trying this on when I was doing the buying and
Yeah.
I was like, oh my God, I need one for It's so pretty.
Did you try it on?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah. I always try on all the pieces.
Yeah,
because,
and then you send me
know,
pictures.
And then I send her pictures because it's so important. You don't, sometimes when it's on the hanger, you don't know. And that's
It's
we
very
love doing
important.
these style videos for you too, so you can see it on a person and see the drape of it. And you know, you trust us by now that we'll tell you the truth about the fabrics and how it's fitting true to. Okay, so last set that we are gonna do here. Beautiful print. This is gorgeous.
my.
You know, we don't do a lot of prints, but this one is fabulous.
Oh my, Tessa. The fabric too, it feels...
Doesn't it feel amazing?
Oh, it feels unbelievably
So
beautiful.
this is kind of like the known fabric we have with the dresses and the tunics. It's got a little
This
crunch
is
in
so
it.
Cute.
Beautiful hang.
And look at the front, the drape and the catering here.
Yeah.
Same in the back. And then the fee in the back and the little fee in the front.
It's the style of it is beautiful. And nice fall winter colors.
Beautiful.
Imagine that with tights and boots. Gorgeous. But I did this guy to match to go over. So this set together. Imagine that little cutie pie.
Tessa,
Chunky
over
knit
this.
sweater over.
Oh my
it looks
goodness.
absolutely fabulous together.
Oh, adorable.
Yeah.
Look at the sleeves, so
I know.
cute.
The
the
sleeves
cuffs.
too, I know.
Oh, all these cute.
Yeah.
And this is a small, oh, everything starts in a small, I should say.
Starts in a small.
Thoughtfully sourced and produced viscose.
Yeah, a very ethical company.
Very ethical.
Great company.
Yeah.
We're so excited to start working with them.
So this gorgeous little cardi, look with,
I know, the cross grain.
yeah, beautiful. And I have to read the label to you because it says here, they are committed to thoughtfulness. And this is RWS certified by Control Union. Responsible wool standard, contain wool fiber from farms certified to animal welfare and land management requirements.
Yeah.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah.
I really respect that so much.
No, me too.
Because that's difficult. That brings with a whole lot of other, you know.
Yeah. Oh, this is cute too. It says here A shape.
It says on the label here about the dress, A shape is shaped like an A and is a good choice if you like your clothes to fit more loosely over the hips. The A shape accentuates the bust and drapes loosely and beautifully over the body. This shape is casual and comfortable and at the same time truly iconic. Beautifully set.
Don't you love that? And it's true.
It's so
will
true.
drape so beautifully over many shapes.
Many shapes.
Great.
Wow. So happy to have this in the boutique.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Okay. Awesome.
Just a cute little capsule that
a nice little small collection.
Some great curated outfits for you lovelies. So watch out, tomorrow we'll be here to style them up. And watch out too on Friday, we got our Friday favorites and you'll see what we're up to. All right, ladies.
Keep on watching.
Have an amazing day.
And keep on smiling.